Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Abu, and this time, I am going to help you learn how to create a blur background effect using Blur tool in Photoshop. If you have seen my other Photoshop tutorial video, the detailed step-by-step in removing the background using the selection tool, it is important to learn that to help us create this amazing photo manipulation skill. Don't worry, I have written the link in the description below just in case you wanted to learn that as well. Okay, let's get on with this. First, open the photo that you are going to work with. Now, click Select. Then, select and mask. I am using PSCC 2019 version. If you are using earlier version, and if you don't find the Select and Mask option, you may also use the Refine Edge tool. Go to View mode. Click the drop-down arrow in View. Choose Overlay. Click Quick Selection tool. Then, click and drag inside the image that you want to select. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell as well to keep you updated with our latest content and informative videos here on YouTube. And hold Alt plus click if you want to deselect the areas that is outside your image. Don't worry, this doesn't need to be very precise because the selection tool will automatically arrange to create a border. Now put check inside the show edge. And slowly increase the radius slider. And now you'll see an outline appeared on the edges of our mask. .8px seems to be just fine for this sample. You may see variations of soft and hard edges on your image. So I would recommend you to click on the Smart Radius. Now, uncheck the Show Edge option after setting the radius. And then, use the Refine Edge tool to refine edges. Brush around the edges. Brush until you think you got all around the areas covered, especially along the thin hair strands. You'll see some fine details after we are done selecting those areas. Continue doing this until you are satisfied with the result. Okay, when you are satisfied with the result in refining the edges of the image, click the Subtract button or hold Alt or Option key plus click. Then drag along the inside of the edges to remove excess selections. And finally, check the Decontaminate Colors box to remove any color fringing. In the Output to Layer settings, I always set this to New Layer with Layer Mask. Then click the OK button. And we are done from cutting the main image from its background. To check our layer mask, hold Alt key plus click the layer mask thumbnail. Zooming in, we would be able to see some areas that need some retouch. Click the brush tool and set brush blending mode to overlay. Select the black color and brush over the areas to clean. Now, we have to separate the main subject from its background. We need to create a duplicate. Click on the background layer, hold Ctrl plus J. Then, select the subject using the lasso tool. And hold click around the image. Now, click Edit on the menu. Then click Fill. Click the drop-down arrow and choose Content-Aware. Make sure Color Adaptation box is checked. Mode is Normal. And Opacity is 100. Deselect the selection or hold Ctrl plus D. Now, we will move on to add a lens blur to the background layer. With the background copy selected, go to Menu and click Filter. And choose Blur. Then, select Lens Blur. And now we can add blur radius. For this sample I will use 100%. And everything else is set to default. Okay, looks good to me. But I'd like to make it even better. With the background copy layer selected, click on the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon. And choose Color Lookup. And on the 3D LUT file drop-down menu, choose Crisp Warm Look. And there you have it. See the before and after. You've just learned how to make your photo to look like taken by a professional photographer in Photoshop. Please catch me on my next videos to learn more on how to put your creative skills using Photoshop. I would like to hear from you and let me know if this works for you or you've got other way of doing this using Photoshop. Just comment down below and don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.